It's a very simple experiment which encapsulates all the, I was going to say weirdness, but it's all, let's say all the properties of the quantum world. It's called the double slit experiment. And by the way, I'll strongly recommend, I think it's almost universally accepted, the best description of the double slit experiment is freely available. It's in the Feynman Lectures, Volume 3, first chapter. And I've read quantum mechanics textbooks that say, go away and read the first 2 chapters of the Feynman Lectures on Physics, Volume 3, because it's all in there. Can't be done any better. So I could recommend that if you find this interesting. The double slit experiment is essentially, let's say you have something that will emit, let's say electrons, so particles, electrons, electron gun that emits particles. And then you have a barrier that has 2 slits cut in it and a screen. So that's the setup of the experiment. So we have something that emits electrons, 2 slits cut in a screen, and a detector, another screen that the electrons will hit. So you fire the electrons out. So what will that look like? Well, if you think of the electrons as just little particles, little bullets, let's say, that are emitted from this gun, then you would imagine that the electrons can go through one slit or the other one, depending on how they come out. And you can imagine that they might get deflected around a little bit when they go through the slits. But basically, on the screen, you would expect most of the electrons to appear opposite one or the other of the slits, with maybe a bit of a spread because they rattle around a bit when they go through. So you get lots here, and pretty much none in the middle. But that's not what you see.